First, the vocab.
Футболка, шорти та светр.
Try saying them.
Футболка, шорти, светр.
Ta is just a word for and.
Футболка, шорти та светр.
How do you say shorts?
Шорти.
The word for sweater
Светр. Футболка.
is t-shirt.
Светр.
Is masculine. So my sweater is
Мій светр. Мій светр.
shorty is plural. My shorts is
Мої шорти. Мої шорти.
futbolka is feminine. My t-shirt is,
Моя футболка.
and the word for wear is,
Де?
so how would you say, where's my t-shirt?
Де моя футболка? Добре.
You might remember words for yes and no, do you?
Так.
For yes,
Ні.
for no
Я не знаю.
means I don't know.
Я не знаю.
Bonus points for you if you can remember how to say I'm not your mum.
Я не твоя мама.
Can you ask where is my t-shirt?
Де моя футболка?
And respond, I don't know, I'm not your mum.
Я не знаю. Я не твоя мама.
Right, disclaimer to the mums of the world, you are not responsible for finding other people's clothes. There is,
Там. Там.
here is,
Тут. Тут. Це там.
means it is there. But you can change
Це там.
to a question with your intonation. So how do you ask, is it there?
Це там.
And how would you say, is it here?
Це тут.
It's not here is,
Це не тут.
so how would you ask, is it not here?
Це не тут.
And is it not there?
Це не там.
It's really quite easy. And the word for what is
Що? Що це?
a useful question. What do you think that means?
Що це? Що це?
What is this?
Що це?
Say, where is my t-shirt?
Де моя футболка?
Now say, I don't know, I'm not your mum.
Я не знаю. Я не твоя мама.
Ask, is it here?
Це тут?
Respond, no, it's not here. You'll need the word
Ні.
no. No, it's not here.
Ні. Це не тут.
Ask, is it not there?
Це не там?
Respond, no, it's not there.
Ні. Це не там. Добре.
Now ask, what's this?
Що це? Що це?
What's this?
Дуже добре.
And I imagine
Це твоя футболка.
we could use
Мій светр,
and
мої шорти. Мій светр і мої шорти.
So how do you say, where's my sweater? Where are my shorts? Just use de.
Де мій светр? Де мої шорти?
What do you think it means if I say,
Я не знаю, де твій светр.
I don't know where your sweater is?
Я не знаю, де твій светр.
How do you say, my sweater?
Мій светр.
How do you say, your sweater?
Твій светр. Добре.
How do you say, I don't know where your sweater is?
Я не знаю, де твій светр.
I'm not your mum.
Я не твоя мама.
My shorts are...
Мої шорти.
How do you say your shorts?
Твої шорти.
Ask, where are my shorts?
Де мої шорти?
Answer, I don't know where your shorts are.
Я не знаю, де твої шорти.
To finish, let's go back and ask, is it here?
Це тут?
Answer, no, it's not here.
Ні, це не тут.
Ask, is it there?
Це там?
Answer, no, it's not there.
Ні, це не там.
Now ask, what is this?
Що це?
Say it's your shorts, your sweater and your t-shirt. Use E for and.
Це твої шорти, твій светр і твоя футболка. Дуже добре.
Make sure you play and have fun with this language and do enjoy all the other lessons in the mini-series. Я Ruth.
Я Оксана. Ми дякуємо вам. Бувайте.
Бувай.